We'll go to the next section now. So it is logical operation with arrays. So far single variables we have used the logical operators. Now we are going to see the logical operators using arrays. How to do the same thing using arrays. So here you see, so they have created two arrays x and y, and the x and y. Okay, just a second. So I have created two matrices x and y, 3 cross 5 matrix, and in between it is going to have random numbers between 0 to 1 to 20. Okay, so create a variable z that contains values of true when x is greater than 8. So simple, I'm going to the thing is going to be very simple. Z equal to x greater than 8. Not sure if this is going to work. We'll submit and see whether the answer is correct. Yes. First, for your understanding, let me display x first, then I will display y first, then I will display z first. So for your understanding, we are going to display only when you display. See here, this is your x, this is your y, and this is my z. Z is whenever x is greater than 8, you will be having 1. So 17 is greater than 8, true. 19 is greater than 8, true. 6 is greater than 8, false. Every element is compared with 8 and you get a binary matrix for Z. Z will have the same dimensions of X and Y, but only thing Z will have the value 0 or 1. Okay. So this is how you compare the entire matrices with a given value. The same thing you can do for y also. So assume if I check for y greater than 8, I'm going to run this code. See here, you will get a different matrix for y. 3 greater than 8, false. 1 greater than 8, false. 16 greater than 8, true. So whenever the numbers are exceeding 8, the answer will be 1. Whenever the numbers are strictly less than 8, greater than 8, less than 8, the answer is going to be 0. For 8 also, the answer will be 0 because we are checking only for greater than 8. Assume I am putting greater than or equal to and see this element. This is 0. Now it should become 1. Yes, see here it has become 1. Okay, so that is how you play with operators on an array. I hope it is clear, and anywhere you have any doubt, please you post in chat box. Okay, so see the next task. I am going to compare two arrays. When I'm going to apply the operator to each of the arrays, the result is also the same as the array. That's what we see. The x is also 3 by 5, y is also 3 by 5, z is also 3 by 5. So now see here, create a variable z2 which contains values of true when x is less than y. The z2 equal to, very simple, x is less than y. Now I'll display everything because we'll have a better understanding when we define when we display everything. And here I'm giving z2. Okay, I'm going to run this code. This is x, this is y. When x is less than y, the answer will be 0. When x is more than y, the answer will be 1. 17 is less than 3, false. 19 is less than 16, false. 13 is less than 20, true. Okay, so I will get a matrix of the same size as x and y. So that is what is the understanding you should have. Whenever you apply logical operator to any matrix, the size of the final answer will be same as the size of the matrices being considered. Okay, that thing you have to clearly keep in your mind. The size will not be different, and you will not get a single value as we got previously 0 or 1. Whenever you are going to do for a single variable, you get the answer as 0 or 1. Whenever you are going to work with arrays, the answer will also be a logical array having 0 or